Welcome back to my channel. This is how I relax my daughter's hair. She has a virgin hair and pleaded me to relax her hair so that she can know the difference between a relaxed hair and this one she's carrying right now, and to know how the texture is going to be. If you're new on this channel, I welcome you. Keep watching. I saw this relaxer and they said that it's good for kids. It's children's super coarse texture, just for me conditioning cream relaxer kits. I decided to use it on her to see how it's going to be. I was busy asking her to know whether the relaxing cream is too hot on her, and she was saying no. She was so happy, guys. You can see the happiness in her face.
Scrolling through my day, need a fresh cut, fresh way from braids to skin fade. I know the spot, I'm on my way.
After relaxing the hair, I was always asking her whether she's feeling the pain or whether it's too hot. She kept saying no. But after 35 to 40 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed it out, only to realize that it was not recording where I wash it out and comb it. I'm so sorry for that. Then after 1 week, this is the style she chose to do.
Miriam Dyke channel is the home. Another one tom 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 tom. 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 Short crop, long curls, sharp edge, low girl. Every clip a new world. Watch it flip, watch it swirl. From the chair to the screen, turn the ordinary clean. If you wanna feel seen, you know exactly what I mean. It's always good to look for a play. Oh, home to find the best trending hairstyles of all kind. Miriam Dyke channel is the home. Yeah, Miriam Dyke channel is the home. I like a mum pum pum, pum pum. 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 Type it in, press play, break the style either way. From the roots to the crown, you glow. Everybody gonna know. It's always good to look for a play. Home to find the best trending hairstyles of all kind. Miriam Dyke channel is the home. Yeah, Miriam Dyke channel is the home. Yeah, another mum pum pum, pum pum. 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 Another mum pum. Scrolling through my day, need a fresh cut, fresh way from braids to skin fade. I know the spot, I'm on my way.
I can't say I'm a professional in hair making. All I can say is that trying make perfect. I appreciate you for watching. What do you think about this hairstyle? Let me know on the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Love you from Miriam DK.